Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make an origami dress.
Mom's dress!
All you want to do first is fold your paper in half both ways. Now flip your paper over and then fold the bottom edge up a little. And now flip it over again. Fold the right edge to the left along the dotted line. Repeat this for the left edge. Take the right corner of the top flap and fold it to the left. Then do the same on the other side. Fold the two bottom corners up to align them with the bottom edge. Now flip your paper over again. Now fold the top edge down. Have your origami dress. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.